Hi everyone, this is Origami 101 series for beginners and kids. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to fold an easy bird. If you have an origami paper, please turn it over so that you see the white side up. But you don't have to turn it over if your paper has same color both sides. Now first, match the bottom corner with the top corner. So pick up bottom corner and go over to the top corner and try to match them. But you need to be careful. This is not, and this is not right either. You need to overwrap nicely as much as possible. Holding the top corner with your left hand, go down and right and left with your right hand, just like ironing. And this is a perfect triangle. The corner is matched well. Now we are going to make a bird. First, rotate the triangle to right and the corner that you matched comes to the right side. And we're going to match this bottom corner with the top corner by folding up. So pick the bottom corner and go over to the top corner and try to match as much as possible, and hold with left hand and with the right hand go down. But if the paper crumples, fix it with your right pointer finger. And again, go down and to the right. Now, slowly turn over the origami paper and we're going to fold up the bottom part. But first, make sure only the top layer, and pick the top layer and go up and fold a little triangle like this, and hold with right hand and with the left hand iron it and make a crease like this. Now from left side, let's turn it over like this. Now we're going to match this bottom corner with this top corner like this. So pick up the bottom corner and match with the top corner just like this. With left hand, hold the top, and with the right hand, iron the paper to the bottom to the right. And this is a bird. Does it look like a bird? Now we're going to draw eyes. So one eye on this side, and then flip it over, and we're gonna write another one right here. And this is an easy origami bird. This is another easy origami folding for preschoolers and kindergartners. We will explore another easy folding in the next lesson.